would pick her up from the garden to be mine. Good day guys, and welcome to our channel. And I just do hope that we're all in perfect health despite the pandemic that we're experiencing nowadays. And speaking of perfect health, we should have a strong immune system to stay fit. And do you know guys that one of the factors for having a strong immune system is eating nutritious food? And one of the most nutritious food that we have, that we always use every day, we usually consume every day, is tomato. I mentioned tomato because I'll be making a tomato concasse whose main ingredients is, of course, tomato. By the way, if this is your first time in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe, like, click the notification bell, leave an honest comment, and should you think that our video is worth sharing with your friends, please do share. But before I make a tomato concasse, let me tell you guys some of the nutritional benefit that we get from tomato. We usually use tomatoes in cooking, but do we really know there's a characteristic of this ingredient that we always use? So guys, let us now talk of the nutritional benefit that a tomato can give to us. Tomatoes are the major dietary source of the antioxidant lycopene, which has been linked to many health benefits, including reduced risk of heart disease and cancer. They are also a great source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, and vitamin K. Consumption of tomatoes will provide anti-inflammatory properties and thus can be really beneficial for overall heart and brain health. Tomato is a good source of potassium and is linked with lowering the elevated blood pressure in the body, thus preventing cardiovascular diseases. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, tomato release more lycopene. Lycopene also may help lower your levels of LDL or bad cholesterol, as well as your blood pressure, and that may lower your chances of heart disease. Well, certainly, tomatoes have many health benefits when eaten raw. But do you know that tomatoes release a cancer-fighting antioxidant when cooked? And this only means that tomatoes really help us boost our immune system. Okay guys, now let's start with our topic for today. I will show you my version of tomato concasse. And for your information, tomato concasse is a basic sauce that falls under the category of pureed sauce when blended. So for our tomato concasse, these are our ingredients. The tomato, you have to cut it crosswise, like this. And then, after cutting it crosswise, you have to squeeze it. Like this. So all the things that's left is the squeezed tomato and its juice, because we discarded the seeds. Now we'll just have to chop the tomato. First you just have to slice it thin, then we just have to chop it coarsely, not fine. Okay. So out of this we'll have to choose the nice red tomato. So we will now make our tomato concasse. We call it concasse because the meaning of concasse is chopped. Okay guys, here are our ingredients for our fresh tomato sauce. We have here our freshly squeezed and chopped tomato, the juice of the tomato, and then the chopped onions, and then the chopped garlic, and then the fresh basil leaves that we will also chop, and of course our olive oil. Okay guys, we'll start to cook. I'll be using my wok. We will add the olive oil. There you are. Since I'll be making this for the family, I'm using the real olive oil. But should you be in a restaurant wherein you're catering for, let's say, class B, C, or D, then you can use cheaper olive oil. Now, first our garlic. So you have to stir fry your garlic until it is caramelized or brown. After the garlic, we'll add the onions. Okay. You'll have to wait until the onions is translucent or a little bit caramelized. Then we will add the tomato. Okay. So now we'll add the tomato. We'll continue sauteing this, and then we'll add the juice of the tomato. Since our tomato is not really red in color, I will just be adding a little bit of tomato paste. So that we can add a little color in our sauce. And then, since the tomato is not really that juicy, we will be adding chicken stock. I have here with me chicken stock. Okay. Now we will add the basil. Then we'll have to season this with salt and pepper. Okay. And then we'll put one piece of bay leaf. And then we'll just continue cooking this. Now, since we are Asians, because Caucasians usually prepare it this way, but since we are Asians, our taste palette is a little bit on the sweet side, so we'll just be adding a little bit of sugar to make it a little bit on the Asian side. Okay. So, well, I believe that I have just shown you guys how to make a tomato concasse. Tomato concasse is a very versatile sauce that is used in almost all categories of food, from appetizer to soup, as sauce accompaniment for roast, fried, grilled, poached, and etc. It is also used as sauce for stews, for braised, for fricassee, for some rice dish, for pasta, and some salads. For all first-timers, now is the perfect time for you to subscribe. Click the thumbs up button just down there. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Don't also forget to leave an honest comment based on what you have seen in this video. And should you think that this video is worth sharing with your friends, please do share. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. And please, always stay safe and healthy at all times. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And God bless us all.